Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. This is Sandy for Graphic 45. The other day I posted a raw picture on my Instagram where I shared some chipboard embellishments I was making with my Graphic 45 Love Note scraps and dies from my stash. I decided to use these embellishments on cards and I just love the way these came out. Each of these handmade cards was made from scraps and my chipboard embellishments, and I'm happy to share these Graphic 45 card making ideas with you. If you're interested in any of the items that you see here, I'll leave you with a full supply list with links in the area right underneath this video. I thank you all for watching and have a fantabulous day.